Yeah, we're out here in the garden in Piedmont, North Carolina today, and I just wanted to share some grace that I received from a fellow grower and really nice friend of mine. Anyway, I'm gonna turn you around. Y'all can see my purple potatoes right here. Those are Dusty Splinter's purple potatoes that I'm growing down here in Piedmont, North Carolina. They are growing really, really well. Just like he suggested, they would expand themselves. It looks to me like they did. I didn't hill anywhere other than where I planted. You know, I treat them like indeterminates, and they treat me like I like potatoes. So, yeah, anyway, it's doing really, really well. Right here to the left, Dusty Splinters provided me with some Miro sarpa, or sarpo mira, however you like to call them, and they grew here beautifully. And let me tell you, that's one of the creamiest potatoes I've ever eaten. You see it's missing because I took an early batch of it to eat, and then I got, wow, so delighted that I had to take the rest. We'll grow them again. Anyway, God bless you, Dusty Splinters, and thank you for providing us with this, as well as the rain that's here.